Do you know how to observe the microstructure of steel? Let's know how to find it. Okay, first cut a small specimen which looks like that cubic specimens and avoid overeating during cutting for prevent the microstructural changes. Then embedded the specimen in resin for cold mounting which helps for better grinding process. Then grinding operation. In that operation you can remove the surface irregularities with silicon carbide abrasive paper, which grades belongs to 2020 to 1200 grit. Polishing, then polish with diamond paste and alumina suspense, which produce a mirror-like surface free from scratches. And then the etching process. In that process, you can use the 2 to 2.5% Nital solution for carbon steel, which and place it to microscope, and then you can analyze the microstructure of this type grains and grains. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Jack of Engineering YouTube channel.